D2C brands are growing faster than ever before. E-commerce is exploding, and brands are scaling at incredible speed. Every single week, new brands are entering the market. Fashion brands, skincare brands, food brands. Everyone wants to build the next big D2C company. For most brands, the formula looks simple. Run ads, generate sales, and scale revenue. And in the beginning, it works incredibly well. But after a point, growth starts slowing down. The same ads stop performing, scaling becomes harder, and profits begin shrinking. So why does this happen to almost every e-commerce brand? Why do ads work so well initially, but eventually hit a plateau? Today, we're going to break down the real reason performance marketing plateaus and what's actually happening behind the scenes. Most e-commerce brands don't fail because their ads stop working. They fail because they don't understand why they stop working. In the beginning, everything looks great. You launch ads, sales start coming in, and growth looks exciting. But then suddenly, things change. Your customer acquisition cost goes up, your ROAS starts dropping, and growth slows down. And this is where most brands make a critical mistake. Most founders and marketers think this is an ad problem. So they do what everyone does. They change creatives, increase budget, test new audiences, but nothing really improves because the real problem is not your ads. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine a D2C skincare brand. They start running ads on Instagram. Their product works, customers buy, and revenue grows quickly. In the first few months, everything looks amazing, but after a point, growth slows. They increase ad spend, but revenue doesn't grow proportionally. Eventually, profits start shrinking, and they think ads have stopped working. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Performance marketing is actually a shortcut. It's one of the fastest ways to enter the market, test your product, and generate initial revenue. And that's why it works so well in the beginning, but it was never designed to scale your business forever. Because ads don't build demand, they capture existing demand, which means you're competing for attention, not creating it. So once that demand gets exhausted, growth naturally slows down. And if you don't build other growth channels, your business hits a ceiling. Let's see what's actually happening behind the scenes. At some point, you start showing ads to the same people again and again. This is audience saturation. At the same time, more brands enter the market, competition increases, and ad costs go up. And your creatives, the exact same ones that worked before, people stop noticing them. So what you're experiencing is not failure. It's your growth engine getting exhausted. To understand this better, we need to look at how growth actually works. Every business has a simple growth system: traffic, conversion, retention, and lifetime value. Ads only control one part of this system: traffic. But most brands completely ignore the rest. So when they scale ads, they are sending more traffic into a broken system. It's like pouring water into a leaking bucket. This is why scaling ads often makes things worse. Because when CAC increases and your conversion and retention are weak, your margins start collapsing. Performance marketing is designed for short-term results, but sustainable growth comes from systems. Now let's look at a smarter approach. Instead of just scaling ads, they focus on improving their entire system. They improve their website conversion, build email and WhatsApp flows, bring customers back, and increase repeat purchases. Now, something interesting happens. Even if their CAC increases, they still stay profitable because their customers are worth more over time. So what should you actually do? Instead of chasing better ads, focus on building a better system. First, improve your conversion rate. Make it easier for customers to buy. Second, increase retention. Bring customers back again and again. Third, use automation and AI to nurture customers without manual effort. The biggest shift you need to make is this: ads don't scale your business. Systems do. The best brands don't run ads better. They build better growth engines. And once you understand this, you stop chasing hacks and start building something that actually scales. Thank you so much for watching. If this video brought you value, smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next deep dive. And let's get a conversation started. Drop your absolute biggest growth problem in the comments below, and I will personally reply to help you fix it. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video.